Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks. Great news today. We got the limited access to YouTube's newest feature, auto dubbing. So they have started auto dubbing videos for French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Okay. So one of our videos, which is cabbage chicken wrap, our original language is in English.
Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube
If
cooking
you go here.
channel. So today, here what
So now, if you go to the settings over here and change the audio track, you will have Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French. So if you click on Spanish, now it's auto dubbed in a Spanish voice.
Eres repollo. Estoy intentando hacer un wrap de repollo. Vale.
Just look at this, isn't it amazing? So it's not the actual voice of us, but it's an AI translated voice. So there are few languages which are not automatically translated, which is Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese. So to put this on, what you have to do is go into your YouTube studio under languages and you'll see all these translations up here. So German, French, Italian will be auto dubbed, but few which are experimental such as Hindi, Indonesian and Japanese will be under drafts. So what you need to do is go under drafts and hit publish here. The minute you hit publish, it will start publishing and it will take a few hours for it to reflect on your video. Once you do that, it's done. Your videos will start showing up in those languages and you can reap the benefits of multiple languages just by publishing a video in English. Thanks, YouTube, for this feature. If any of y'all have got this feature, do comment below. Or if you have any doubts or questions regarding this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.